The LC strikes a brilliant sports car pose. It's Lexus' best styling ever. Lexus says it had no plan to build the LFLC concept shown at the 2012 Detroit Auto Show. When that concept drew rave reviews, it changed its mind. We're glad they did. The LC drops Lexus' usual party manners. It's a stunning shape, one that deserves to be seen outside car shows and design studios. We give it a 10 out of 10 for styling. The LC drives a sharp counterpoint to the most recent Lexus sports car, the $375,000 LFA.